Good evening, Mac Blogs, aka Ian. Tonight, chilled night with a little bit of a twist. So I am currently parked up at a spot where you can watch planes arrive and take off at Glasgow Airport. And yeah, we're going to have a chat. So we've got a little bit of plane spotting to do and a trip announcement. A Disney trip announcement that I'm going on this month. So it is currently May 2024. I'm going this month. So stay tuned for that. I will be giving some information away in this video, but not all of it away in this video. So I will explain what I mean by that later on. But yeah, join me tonight for possibly a short video, whatnot, but it's part of my 30-day challenge, something a little bit different. Some plane spotting and some information. So let's go. So we've got one taking off here. It's just about to leave the car, but I didn't want to miss this one. British Airways is taking off. We have a Jet 2 plane on its way, hopefully somewhere nice and warm. So don't worry, there's quite a few lined up to take off, so we'll see a few tonight, and there's one just coming in to land as well. So a bit of landing, a bit of taking off, it's all going on. I think this is an EasyJet coming in to land just now. Just a quick disclaimer, if it's your first time watching me and yeah, you've came across this video randomly, then I'm not a plane expert. I do take quite a lot of planes and trains and everything else. I am mainly kind of a content creator for theme parks. I do a lot of travel to Orlando, Florida. I do enjoy travelling on planes. But yeah, kind of the reason for this video is I'm doing a video challenge every 30 days, uploading content every 30 days. Challenging myself in that sense, but also in this video I'm going to be travelling from Glasgow Airport again very soon on EasyJet, going to Paris to go to Disney Paris, and I thought this would be a nice tie-in of a video to let you all know. Well, there's more planes coming up, sneaking up behind me. This is a Jet, not a Jet, it's a Jet 2. Getting ready for takeoff. Yeah, so we'll watch this one take off, and then I'll give you some more information about myself and the trip that's coming up. Just turning round. I'm just going to keep this rolling. and I will stop shortly to stop the kind of bumping about. There we go. Yeah, it's still on the ground. Is it going to take off now? It's starting to go now. Yeah, that's it taking off now. And how fitting is this? An EasyJet plane is the next plane. Now I guess there'll be a lot of EasyJet planes leaving from Glasgow and arriving. But one day, this month, I will be on another EasyJet. I'm just off EasyJet recently, like last weekend. But yeah, I'm going to be back on one. I'm going to Disneyland Paris, not Florida, Disneyland Paris. Let's watch this flight take off. I'm looking forward to getting back to a bit of Disney, to be honest. Love Universal as well. Like, I've covered a few things in Universal and I always will. But I'm missing a little bit of Disney magic, so I'm going to get some Disney magic this month. It's a quicker takeoff than the Jet 2 plane. Oh, I'm really zoomed in there. I always forget that I've got the zoom on. You don't want me to see me zoomed in. Yeah, I was recently on a delayed flight coming back from London Luton Airport with EasyJet. It wasn't major, it was 2.5 hours, these things happen. There's a fault with the engine leaving Glasgow, I think, coming down. I think that's what they said, from what I remember. And yeah, I don't mind that. It was going to be later than, I think it was like a few hours later. That would have been a long day, even though it was a short flight, a 55-minute flight. So you're waiting hours upon hours upon hours for a very short flight. But going to Paris, Disneyland Paris, is about an hour and a half flight. You're straight into Charles de Gaulle, and I'll be travelling straight from the airport to Disneyland Paris. And what I want to do is, I've had a few messages and whatnot and comments about making things a bit more personal about myself and connecting. So what I've done is, with my Patreon, which I've linked down below, my Patreon account, I'm going to do maybe small clips and small videos on there giving my future content. So you'll get like an exclusive heads up on what I'm doing, and also other little things. So I'll let you know some information about what I'm doing, and tips and tricks and things like that. Some things that I just can't cover in vlogs because it's just too much, maybe too much detail and too much information, and maybe just a little bit different. And also I can respond quicker, and it's just more private and exclusive and personal over on Patreon than it is on YouTube and Instagram, because it's public as well. So that little bit extra exclusivity, I'll get this right. exclude. I'll not get it right. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know why I can't even say that. Exclusivity. Why can I not say that? But just more personal. There you go. A bit more personal, and that's the plan. So I'm going to try that. So if you want to, you can join for free as well. It's not like, but it's just different. It just means I can reply and respond quicker. I can use that to give more information than I can. Because Instagram and stuff, I think it's a bit strange when you post things on Instagram. Not everyone sees it. So yeah, it's a bit strange. It's just like, I don't know what it is with Instagram and even Facebook. When I put things on Facebook, not everyone who follows my page sees the information, and it goes to potentially new followers and everything else. But the community I have here is amazing. You're all amazing, and I want to have are they shooting something? Are they shooting birds because of the plane coming? Is that what that was? But yeah, if I post something on Patreon, it's direct. It's a hub. It's a community that everyone sees it. So that's what I mean by that. Not everyone's seeing what I post. I don't mind that, to be honest, but I just mean, like, if there's information I want to get out there, and it's sometimes valuable information, if you're packing or planning and you want to see what I'm getting up to in the future, to give you that exclusivity, something like that. I think I'm walking too far. I'm going to walk back the way because I don't think the planes go this far. There's another British Airways coming. I'm going to try that. I'm going to put some clips on there, so if you want to join that, then links down below, and I'll be posting more details very, very soon in the next couple of days about Disneyland Paris. Some information about it, where I'm staying, some costs and stuff like that to help you plan and whatnot, and some new things, some very, very, very new things that I have never tried whilst I'm going to be in Disneyland Paris. So it's all going to be there if you want to try it and join and check it out. And then here comes British Airways. I've always enjoyed flying with British Airways, mainly down to London City Airport. So let's say hello to them. The British Airways plane has stopped right there before the runway. I think it's waiting for the plane that's just coming in. I don't know if you can see the lights. So I think we're going to catch the landing first before this takeoff. I don't know if you can hear that. There's a little small one coming this way. Is that a Loganair? That would be cool to watch that take off. So I think that's what's happening just now. This one's coming in. I don't know what's coming in, we'll see in a moment. But I'll keep this rolling as well. It looks like TUI. I'm going to take a guess here at TUI, because the blue nose on it. Oh, is it KLM? Is it below TUI? No? That's KLM. There we go. I was wrong again. Look at this logo there. I wonder where this goes. Where does this go? It can't be far. So we'll go up to like Aberdeen and up the north, Ireland. And we'll just stick to mainland Scotland. I have seen Loganair go to the kind of smaller, the kind of Hebrides Islands, if they go there. That would be cool. Maybe try that one day. Let's see, British Airways takeoff. There we go. And it's up. I know it's not the best camera to see far away, but hopefully you can just see it. Now for the Logan Air. How long does it take for this plane to get off the ground? Not that it matters, but just interested. We've got another TUI holidays plane coming. What's gonna happen first? Obviously that's gonna take off first, but is it gonna block my view? We're gonna see the Logan Air take off, or we're gonna just miss it. There we go. Yeah, all good. Walked out. Look how quick that goes. That just goes up straight away. I didn't think it would take any longer than that. Oh, here's the. I've always wanted to see this one. I've seen this one. This one that's coming here, sorry. The Logan Air with the Scotland flag on the tail. Oh, you see that one sitting when I'm at Glasgow Airport. I've never had a chance to see it take off. This is going to be really cool. Here it comes. Some noise coming off of that, a lot of noise coming from that. It's like a thunder noise after it, like a rumbling noise. So cool. Right, let's watch the did I say Flybe? Logan Air. I might have said Flybe earlier on, but didn't mean Flybe. Logan Air plane take off. Now we're waiting for this one to land before the Logan Air takes off. And I was just about to say that's KLM, and I would have been wrong again. It's TUI. Ooh. You see that? With the brakes? The kind of puff of, like, it's no smoke, but the wheels. Right. I don't know why I was thinking Flyby. I don't even think they exist anymore. Oh, oh. So you hear that? A little echo. Is that birds getting shot? Right, come on, little Logan there. That's quick. Straight up. And away it goes. Apologies for the focus of the picture quality, but it's very hard to capture through the fencing. I would have to get like a super duper camera and like go up high somewhere or bring ladders. I'm going to head back down that way because I walked up this way, and it would be good if they'd use this for parking. Free parking. Free parking, Glasgow Airport. Right, yeah, so I'm going to hopefully see a few more planes arrive and take off. If the weather holds up, it might just be okay. Don't want to get wet tonight. Screw one of those kind of videos, so I thought it was something different. Back at Glasgow Airport, but for a different reason. Looking at some other planes taking off rather than my own. Well, I wouldn't watch my own plane take off, that would be, you know what I mean, by being on my plane taking off. Yeah, so we'll see what other planes we can watch, and then I will cover. Oh, there's birds flying about. No wonder there's someone driving around. There's quite a lot of birds flying about. It's a shame we need to kind of shoot the birds. That's just horrible. But yeah, sorry. The plans for Disneyland Paris, but I've also got the plans for Disney California. Yeah, so Disney California. It's not all out Disney, so I'm not staying on Disney property. I'm not doing that. I'm going to the D23, the Disney Expo. That's the main reason why I'm going. And again, I'll give a lot more details and intricate information on the Patreon going forward. But I will be wanting to go to Universal Studios Hollywood, and yes, I will be wanting to go to Disney California Adventure, like it's not Disney California, the parks. So that's going to happen, and I'm going to make as much effort as I can to make that happen. I'm going there for a week in August, so I've got the D23 Expo, and then I'll put them in a couple of days as well, and then try and tie it all in to be an awesome trip over to my first time in California. So be sure to subscribe. I know a lot of folk watch the videos but they don't hit subscribe. Please hit subscribe, it does mean a lot. You're going out your way to tell YouTube that you enjoy this content, and it pushes the content out there. It supports myself, supports the channel, and it also keeps me motivated to keep making videos as well. There's another Jet 2 Holidays branded plane. I don't know the actual types of plane. I should know by now, but I don't. We've got an Aer Lingus making its way up. to the runway. Now there is this mound. Oh, I'm going to walk over this. Oh, this mound you can stand on, which I have never done. I've only been here 2, 3 times, 4 times max maybe, from what I can remember. I have never stood on this mound, but it just elevates you a lot higher. And I'm just going to go up here just for the one plane possibly taking off, which is the Aer Lingus one we seen a moment ago. You do get a lot better of a view from here than you do going through, as in regards to recording on the camera, than through a fence. Sorry. I'm just watching this plane. It does fascinate me. There we go, just up now. And there it goes. I have never flown Aer Lingus. I have thought about it. I've seen some good deals to go to Orlando, Florida, flying with them. It's just I know what I get with Virgin Atlantic. I do love the brand and Virgin Atlantic. I have been let down by Virgin before, but that happens, these things happen. And I have accumulated so many points, so much points, that I even priced a place recently for this year. I'm not going to say when, because I might go, I might not. But the return flight with my points that I've got just now, return flight was £263 flying from Manchester. So I've accumulated points and I'll utilise them in a sense, but sometimes it is just cheaper just going with another airline. I do want to fly from Edinburgh. You can fly from Glasgow, I believe, as well, with is it TUI? So there's other options out there, but Manchester I've always found just holds something special for me, even though I'm from here. But the price and the Radisson Blue Hotel and everything else, the build up to the whole holiday, yeah, it's just something for me. But I will try other places, and I will give tips in the future on my Patreon again, which I'm going to be planning on doing some small clips and videos on the points and Virgin and how to book a holiday to Orlando, all those things. So that's what I'm saying. It's just a hub that I can put all that information on and keep that separate from my main content on YouTube. So I think that's a good idea, and I'm going to try that. So let me know, and yeah, leave a comment on Patreon and say hi, and I'll get back to you. That's what I want to do. I want to try and make that little personal touch. So it's there if you want to give it a go, and you can join for free, like I said. Right, let's watch a plane take off from up here in the mound, and then I think a few more minutes, another half an hour or something, and I'm going to call it a night, I think. Because I could probably stand here all day watching these planes land and take off. It's so cool. Even though I don't know anything about planes and names and stuff like that. I really should, I don't know why I don't. But I just like the experience of them. Logan Air just landing. I've flown Logan Air a few times. Really great service, really cool planes. I flew with them to Southampton to go on a Disney cruise. Those videos are up as well with Disney cruise. That was really great service. And who knows, I might be on Logan Air again this year. Maybe. This Jet 2 plane has went way back, right to the end of the runway. So not in this one where it turns, that one right at the end. There it goes. Oh, it's not up yet. Is it going up now? There it goes. Is this a Logan Air coming into land? Probably not, so I've been wrong so many times. I'm right for a change. Oh, here comes the rain, I think, as well. Don't tell me that's the rain starting. I don't think it was going to rain. It is starting to rain. I did not think this was going to happen, but I am probably going to end the video here. We're going to watch this EasyJet flight, which is fitting for the video. We're going to watch that take off. I'm going to get back to the car and then end the video. What is going on with this weather? It's practically mid-May. And exclusivity? It's pretty much mid-May, and this is where we're at. This is what we've got. Right, EasyJet. Hopefully you're going somewhere nice. Better than this weather, anyway. I'm seeing quite a lot of birds. I don't think the camera's going to pick up, but just on the runway there. And they're just maybe crossing by. And there it goes. And I thought it would be fitting, because of the rain and because I'm flying EasyJet from here very soon. I will end the video here. There they go. So there you have it. EasyJet has flown off, and I will be flying off very, very soon. So hopefully you join me on my travels, my trips. If you love all things Disney, Universal, theme parks, I'm watching when I'm walking, because I'm walking the wrong way. Nope, no, I can go that way. Yeah, enjoy me on Patreon if you wish as well, just for a more kind of personal touch. Anyway, hope you're all well. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.